subscribe to our YouTube channel, right? Not many of you all have given any kind of reviews. It's very, very dejecting to see that, right? So I request you all to actually do that. I'll let you know on how to get the certificate, everything. Okay, I'll do it today. Have patience, please. I'll do that. But having said that, look at this. You go to 360 Digit MG, you scroll down, you see our social media links here at the bottom: YouTube channel, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter. I request you all to click on YouTube. Okay, and then subscribe. There is an option called subscribe. You'll have to subscribe to the channel. Please do that. Number one. Number two, click on this Facebook link and follow us. Click on LinkedIn link and follow us. If you are not finding time, we have pasted in the sticky at the top. You all are able to see my screen. There will be something called a sticky. I request you all to please do that, while I think I've already downloaded the data which Enoch has shared with me in terms of the giveaway, right? So let me type. Yeah, April 16th. There are two final giveaways for you guys for attendance as well as reviews. Yesterday, we found that approximately 1,182 people have given your attendance. 1,182 people. So we need to run the random number generator. This is directly from Google. Yeah, it randomly chooses the numbers. So, but 1 to 1,182. Let me just test it. Yeah, working fine. Okay. Now let me open the pen as well. As always, I will demystify this thought and help you understand the probability. Probability of any event is equal to number of interested events divided by total number of events. Number of interested events, you want a single number. So it's 1 divided by. The total possible events are 1,182. 1 out of 1,182 events. Okay. So let me click on this. Let me count. Let the countdown begin. 1, 2, 3. Go. Wow, wonderful. 333. Let's see who 333 is. 333, 333. Okay. From Aurangabad, Dr. Rupali. Are you there, Dr. Rupali? Dr. Rupali is a winner. 333. Let me see whether she's there or not. Congratulations, Dr. Rupali. Congratulations. If you're there, good. If you're not, your location partner would get in touch with you. Oh, you're there. Okay, good. Wonderful. Okay, there we go. Congratulations. Now, there is also one thing for reviews. Only a handful people have given reviews, 141 people. Not sure why. The other people, didn't you like the training, friends? Okay, let me test this. I'm testing it. Okay, it's working well. So, once again, let us do this. I'll be counting from, I'll be starting the countdown. One, two, three, go. Okay, it's 121. 121 is Abdul Jamil Sheikh. Abdul Jamil Sheikh. Is not Abdul from our team? No? Okay. Anyways, absolutely. Enoch, are you there? Are you able to hear me? Congrats, Abdul. Congratulations for this. Wow. Good. So we are done with this part. What next? Friends, you all will receive AI Spry. People who have attended the attendance. See, there are a few things. Let me tell you. I shared all the free programs, slides, datasets, R code, everything, and it will be placed on a learning management system. Okay, I'm also proving it to you that we have already done it. And this is what I request personally. Please follow our company page. This message is posted on the chat window. Please follow our company page. Please add yourself to our Facebook group. Here is the LinkedIn company page. I think it's getting repeated. I'm not sure. Let me check with Enoch once. Just give me a minute, friends. Let me call Enoch and let me. Okay. But now, yeah, twice LinkedIn has been put. Hmm? You can make that change. That's okay. Okay. Sorry about this. Enoch is going to get it fixed. And I request you all to please give the reviews. We have what good 800 odd people or 600 people. I request you all to please give the reviews. All right. The next thing is, how do you get the certificate? Okay, we have I think 820 plus people. You all will be given username and password. Okay, you all will be given username and password. Once username and password is given, you'll have to log in. In this way, username and password will be given and it will be shared with you on your email ID. Once we share with you on your email ID, you need to log in and there'll be a course for you. There'll be one course. You click on that and you'll have the study material, datasets, R code. These three will be there. For example, if you click, you'd be able to navigate, okay, and look at the slides. You would be able to download the datasets, the R code, etc., and you will be able to use that. Also, here you say it says get certificate. But when I click on that, it says submit the review and feedback. So you have to go to review and feedback. In this review and feedback, you'll have to click on Facebook. You'll have to click on this and provide your reviews. Once you give your reviews, you can click on get certificate. Okay, get certificate, and you can download the certificate. Also, do you see here recommended videos? Right, it says channel does not exist, but what we shall do is we're going to direct that to 360 Digit MG, the channel where we have all these videos placed. All the videos would be there for you. Right, all the videos would be made available. Now let me see your questions and let me see what questions you have. What questions do you have? Do you have any specific questions? Okay. You all will be given username and password. It will be shared with your shared on your email ID. When will we share with you? There are two ways. How will we share with you? There are two ways. Number one, uh, based on the location that you're joining in from. Okay. If you're joining from Aurangabad, Aurangabad details are provided here. If you're joining from Bhilai, Bhilai email ID and phone number. For getting certificate, just call them or email. For Chromepate in Chennai, Porur in Chennai, Thorepakam in Chennai, Gudivanchari in Chennai, then you have Guntur, Guwahati, Dilshuk Nagar, ECIL, Uppal, Indore, Kalaburgi, Kolkata, Navi Mumbai, Indore, Raipur, Vijayawada, and Vizag. We have all these franchisee locations. Okay, we have all these franchisee locations. And if you are from any of these locations, if you are from any of these locations, just send them email or call them up and you would receive username and password for AI Spry, which is our learning management system. You'll receive username and password for AI Spry on your email ID. Let me type entire thing because otherwise you'll say repeat again. Okay. So please contact respective locations to receive username and password for AI Spry, which is our learning management system, on your email ID. Okay, let me put it here. So please contact your respective locations to receive username and password for AI Spry learning management system on your email ID. You'll receive on your email ID. What will you receive? Username and password for AI Spry. Okay. And your respective locations, partners are going to get in touch with you. If you are, if you are not from any of these locations, then what should we do? Okay, let me answer that as well. If you are not from any of the listed locations, then contact head office. Head office details are provided here. Okay, this is the head office. Okay, for this, if only if and only if the other locations are not available, you're not from any of these locations. If you're not from any of these locations, then please reach out to us. Okay, let me put here Pune, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, and head office. Okay, for Pune, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, and other locations not listed underneath. Is there any doubt on this? On how to get the certificate? And okay, on AI Spry, students can get access to slides, training slides, R code, and datasets. On AI Spry, students can get access to all of these. Okay, you can get access to all of these. What else? YouTube videos. Okay, I frequently see certain questions, right? YouTube videos, 6 YouTube video number 6 is missing, and a few other videos are missing. Those will be uploaded on YouTube. Enoch, are you able to hear me at least now?
I can hear you, Barney. Can you hear me?
Yep, I can hear you. By when can we have the videos uploaded on YouTube?
So it should be done by today evening.
Today?
Worst case, by morning, it should be there at any cost.
Okay. Those will be uploaded on YouTube by tomorrow maximum. Maximum is an incorrect grammar. Okay. YouTube video number 6 is missing, and a few other videos are missing. Okay. That is, I think, yesterday video and today's video might be missing. Okay. Those will be.
Yesterday's is done. It's
It's
only
done?
the video number 6. Yes.
Only video number 6. Okay, fine. Okay. The next question which people would ask is, where do I get these YouTube video links? Shall we make it public now, Enoch, now that we are done, so that we do not face any issues?
Sure, we could make it public.
Okay. So we shall make them public now. Okay. So that you all subscribe to our channel to get to watch the videos. Okay. And what else? Yeah, let me look at the questions. Enoch, are there any questions in particular? Can we just have a look at that?
Some people are asking for AI Spry link, and
that will come to them
yes.
in their email.
Yeah.
And URL.
The other question is how we will come to know that whether we are eligible or not.
They have to contact their Okay. Please contact your respective locations to check your eligibility criteria. Okay. Anything else?
So some people are asking, is there any hard copy?
Is this clear?
Yes. And for
Yeah.
a few of them are mentioning that the email is bouncing. So as a backup, probably you can share my email address there as well. I can pass it on to the correct people as a backup.
Okay.
At the rate 360. Yeah. Another question is, when should we contact these people? The list.
Today.
And Ramya, if the name Coimbatore is not in the list, you need to contact the head office.
Hey, come on. Why? It's a little strange. Fine, that's okay. Today you can start contacting.
And there was a question about, would there be a hard copy of the physical copy of the certificate?
Hey, good question. Post lockdown, you can go to your learning center and collect the physical copy of the certificate.
Someone is asking, can we do offline classes at any of your respective centers?
Yep. Sure. One second. Not sure why this is acting tricky. I don't know. Okay, let me see. Anyways, fine. So post lockdown, you can go collect the certificate from your respective center. Okay, and then you have another question on, yes, you may attend classroom trainings at learning centers after lockdown. Okay, after lockdown. Yep. Any other questions that you might have?
So maybe, Barney, if you could clear up that online classes are going as usual and only offline is post the lockdown.
Yeah, sure. Online classes are going on as usual, like what we are having now. similar to the pre-sessions. Only for classroom sessions, you will have to wait until lockdown. Right? Any other questions? Any other questions that you see, Enoch?
Pretty much the same repetitive questions, nothing. And someone is asking further details of the course.
Mm-hmm. I'll be getting there. Okay. Take a photo. People, take a photo of this. I'm facing certain challenges with certain things in terms of not able to drop it. Yeah, now I'm on to it. Good. Please take a photo of that and share it with people. I repeat, please contact your respective locations to receive username and password and URL for AI Spry on your email ID. If your location is not listed here, then you will have to contact the head office directly. Okay, you'll have to contact the head office. There's a reason why we haven't mentioned a few of our franchisee locations here. Okay, but otherwise, please contact us on this email ID. There are two email IDs which we have given. Okay, two email IDs. You can contact any of the email IDs. Enoch, you might want to just give a test and see whether this is working or not. Inquiry at 360.
Okay, let me do that right away.
Yeah. Or you might contact this phone number. Okay, either way, it's going to work. And sorry, on AI Spry, students can get access to training slides, R code, and datasets. YouTube video number 6, which is related to association rules, is missing. We will upload it today. Association rules is missing. We shall make them public, all the videos. So you please subscribe to our channel. Okay, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you might have access to that. And please contact your respective locations to check your eligibility criteria to receive certificate. Okay, and post lockdown, you can go to your learning center and also collect the physical copy of the certificate. You may attend classroom trainings at your learning centers after lockdown. Online classes are going on as usual, as you all are attending, this similar to that. Only for classroom sessions, you'll have to wait until the lockdown is extended. Okay, now, next thing, don't wait here. Yeah, you can take Kavya from the nearest learning center, absolutely. And what I have personally observed is that, let me show you a few things. I think notifications. Look at this, friends. Look at this. There is a person who got certified in data science. Okay, let me open that. This is how the certificate will look like. All right, this is how the certificate will look like, and it will say you have participated. When you post that, on your LinkedIn page, look at 47 people and 10 comments and number of views, right? And you are going to get the required visibility. You are going to get the required visibility. So please post your certificate in this way. Many people have posted. Many people have posted. You know, I mean, I have didn't find the luxury to comment on everyone's certificate, but yep, wherever I found the luxury, I done that. Sana also has done it. She's head of department mathematics, PhD student in applied mathematics, right? She has also undergone training through us, and there you go, the kind of reactions, etc. So please post your certificate on LinkedIn and let the people watch it. Okay, let the people watch it. And that is very important for you because you'll get the required visibility in the market. All right, so I'll also put this. Please publish your certificate on your LinkedIn page, on your LinkedIn post, on your LinkedIn page, and send the screenshot to any of these email IDs, wherever you have, wherever you are interacting with the partners, please do that. And do you know what the advantage is? You would straight away get the respective location, and for your publicity which you are doing, we will give you 50% discount on our main program. Our main program is very, 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 very prestigious. Trust me on that. Okay, and you would get the required visibility. And what is the discount going to be? Let me show you here. This would be the discount. 59,000 plus GST is slashed away, and you directly get the program for 29,500. Along with this, you would get certificate from IBM. You'd get IBM certificate, plus you would get a certificate from our analytics consulting firm called as InnoDataTix. Don't lose this opportunity. You need not pay anything extra for IBM certification or InnoDataTix. You get them as part of your training. Okay, very good opportunity. Please make the best use of this. And all of our programs have a lot of international accreditations from City and Guilds UK, University Technology Malaysia, German-based certification body which is TUE SUD, Panasonic, CareerX. There are bunch of those. Okay, so I request you all to please make best use of the opportunity. And let me tell you one last thing before we wind up, right? The important things about projects is that, be it wind turbine prediction model or be it Coca-Cola project, what happens is you will have you need to understand the project management methodology first on how to handle the project from the start until end. Start is called as project initiation, end is project closure. In between, after project initiation, there will be planning, project planning. Once planning is done, you do execution. You execute your project. And then you monitor and control the project throughout, and you close your project. Second most important thing is you need to understand about databases. You need to understand about SQL and NoSQL databases. Why is that so? Because when you have industrial IoT sensors or any other sensors or any other data sources, you capture the data. Okay, these will generate data. Once the data is generated, you place the data on database. This database can be on cloud. When it comes to cloud, AWS is number one, friends. They have amazing market share. Google Cloud Platform, Microsoft Azure, they are no way close to AWS. They are no way close. Okay. Or you might want to place it on your own data center, on your own server. And if the data which is getting generated is very big, okay, so I'll put it here. If it is not big, you do this. If your data which is getting generated is big, then you need to understand about big data Hadoop. Hadoop is a framework, and you use a tool called as Spark. You use a tool called as Spark to process the data. Once you store the data, once you store the data, what do you do then? Data analytics, data science. Usually, data science is a term which is used for handling your structured data. Usually. Within this, there is a stream called as deep learning, which has become so famous that people have slowly started delineating it or segregating it from data science term. It's very much part of data science, but now they are using separate terms for that, which is all about handling your videos, images, and audio files, videos, images, audio files, and textual data. And deep learning is majorly used to build artificial intelligence applications, AI applications. Once you understand about all these things, you then move to the next. This is called as predictive zone. You kind of do predictions here. Okay, predictions. But after that, there is something called as optimization. You're predicting that mileage of a vehicle will be, say, 20 kilometers per liter. That's fine. However, can you help me identify on what is the maximum mileage that I can achieve by making changes to the various components of the vehicle? That's the highest level. Once this is done, you should also be aware of how to secure your data. Because when you say you have worked on live projects, you should understand data security and also data privacy. How to build your applications. You'll also learn about building the backend. Backend means database plus middleware. Middleware means how do you integrate your backend And front end is how are you going to display your prediction results or optimization results to your customer. You cannot say, customer, you also download R code or Python code. I'll share with you the code. Please run that. You cannot say that, right? So what do you do as part of front end? You're going to build something called as Shiny app, a Shiny application. Or in Python, you have something called as Flask to deploy a solution. These are very, very important things for you to learn. Okay, this should be your journey, friends. Okay, and majority, not all, but majority are covered as part of our mainstream training. Where did we go? This one only. Let me hide this. Mhm. A little strange. Where did that go? Yeah, here it is. Not sure why it got hidden somewhere. Okay, let me go to 360 Digit MG. And if you go to courses, you have the courses. Data science course. When I click on that, I repeat courses, this data science course. Okay, sorry. Hey, sorry, friends. Hope you all are able to see my screen now. Are you guys able to see my screen? Enoch, can you please confirm?
I can see your screen, Barney.
Perfect.
I think we all can.
Yeah. So weekends on Saturdays and Sundays, we have the training. First slot and second slot. First slot is from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. The second slot is from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Then we have from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. on Sundays also. So we have two slots, basically. Okay. And the most latest of the batches would be from 18th April. We are starting a batch which is from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. daily. Daily in the sense Saturday and Sunday. What would you do on the weekdays? On the weekdays, you do hands on, you submit your assignments, you clarify your doubts, all of that. Then we also have weekday sessions. Weekday sessions means it will be from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. 5 days in a week, you'll have a class, all 5 days. And you have slots here also. First slot is from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. daily, 2 hours. By the way, all the sessions are recorded and placed on a learning management system. Next, we have another slot, which is from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. By the way, we have a third slot also, which is from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. And we have a final slot, fourth slot, which is from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. All days, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all days. On all days, you have these sessions. Okay, weekday and weekend. Weekday, we have first, second, third, fourth slot. On weekend, on Saturdays and Sundays, we have the slots. You can join for any slot, and the next slot is starting from Monday onwards, which is, I think, Monday is 20. What is Monday coming up, friends? Monday is 20th, right? So from 20th onwards, 20th April, we have a weekday batch, which is going to be from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. And this offer that we are rolling out, which offer? The offer which is a 50% discount. This 50% discount would be valid only until 24th of April. If you try to enroll after 24th of April, it is not valid. Okay, so before 24th of April, you need to enroll for the batch. Before 24th of April, you have 50% discount with IBM certification included. And you'll also receive InnoDataTix certification. Okay, and then these are the various slots which are available. So do we have any questions? Enoch, would you mind moderating and ask me if there are any questions?
Sure. I am checking. So one of the question is, how much time will we wait to receive a mail back from you whether we are eligible or not?
When are
For
you
the-
going to contact them? When are you, okay, to answer that, when are you going to contact your learning centers? Would you contact today? If you contact today, by tomorrow you should receive max.
Right. So I mentioned 24 hours is the
Yes.
maximum.
Yep.
And the other question is on the placement support.
Yep.
So will there be any placement, or what is the past placement percentage? So those are the line of questions.
Okay.
And the duration as well. How long is this course gonna last?
Yep. Yeah. Just a minute, Enoch.
Sure.
Okay, sorry. Let me go back here. All right, friends. So do you know what? I'll erase these things. Placement assistance. If you are going to have greater than 80% attendance, plus if you're going to have, if you're going to submit more than 80% assignments on time, plus if you work on the live project, we are going to give you 100% job placement guarantee. In the past, how many people got placed? That should have been your question. If that is your question, then recently we shared that with, you know, a few of the people. Data security is a prime for us, friends. Yep. Hope I answered your questions. Yep. Any other questions that we have?
So one of the question is, what other programs do you have apart from this?
Apart from this, we have big data analytics, AI and deep learning, cloud computing, financial project management, risk management. We have domain analytics. If you're from MBA marketing or MBA HR, or if you're from finance background, supply chain, cybersecurity, etc., you can choose any of the programs. Okay, that makes sense here. We have digital marketing and we have advanced digital marketing. Advanced digital marketing means how do you make use of machine learning algorithms and AI? Because everyone is getting trained on digital marketing. How are you different? You are different because you do advanced digital marketing using AI and machine learning, right? Building prediction models. Second, as part of digital marketing training, we will also train you on how to create nice infographic images, videos, right? So that it makes your life interesting. We also have Industrial Revolution, Lean Six Sigma, Green, Black, and Master Black Belt. We have Internet of Things, robotic process automation. We have Agile and Scrum methodology, software development, that is full stack developer. And then we have cybersecurity as well. So these are the various trainings that we have.
All right. And one more question that I see coming is, what is the average package of your place students, or how much can we expect once we get on a job? That's the question line.
Huh. Yep. So that is very, very subjective, friends. It depends on what kind of company, college you got graduated from. Is it a tier 1 college or tier 2 college or tier 3 college? Do you have past experience or not? All those things. But let me tell you, at a high level, if you are a fresher, right? Salaries might be anywhere between 1.5 to 2 lakhs. To it can be even 10 lakhs per annum. But 10 lakhs is given to people who join companies such as Facebook, Google, etc., Microsofts of the world, but they will only do campus placement majorly. So as a fresher, your target should be startups or companies such as TCS, right? Infosys, Wipro, etc., whose salaries obviously will be slightly more, with 3.5 to 4 lakhs to 5 lakhs per annum. But this is a wide range that freshers get. Our freshers got in this wide range. Then for experienced professionals, for working professionals, but this is only to start. Okay, after you have 1 year experience, suddenly you might see your salary reaches 8 lakhs. After you work for 1 year in a startup, suddenly your salaries will explode to 8 lakhs, etc. That's a different story. For working professionals, for every 1 year of experience, they get anywhere between 2.5 to 3 lakhs per annum. Meaning, if you have 5 years of experience, then you can get anywhere between 12.5 lakhs per annum to 15 lakhs per annum. And if you're a person with 10 years experience, okay, then your salaries could be anywhere in the range of 25 lakhs to 30 lakhs per annum. Okay, that's the range. Yeah.
And the other question is about the live projects.
So live projects means there are two things. One, you come down to Hyderabad office and work on the live project along with our team of data scientists. You learn from, when you work alongside our team of data scientists, you learn on how they are working and all that. Second, you can also work from your learning centers. We have 20 learning centers. You can work from any of your learning centers. Go and do your live project from learning centers. 3, if you're from some other location, you can do it virtually. But in all these cases, you're going to sign NDA, non-disclosure agreement, that you're not going to share the data with anyone. You'll not discuss about the project with anyone, right? And then you get started. So one, you either come to our head office and do the live project, or go to our learning centers and do the live project. Third, virtually you do it online, but you'll have to sign non-disclosure agreement for that. It duration, if you want to know duration, it'll be for roughly 140 hours.
All right. Some other questions are on the lines of I have done mechanical engineering or some other different branch. So what about me? So those kind of questions.
Okay. If you do your mechanical engineering, then any place where you have machinery, it could be manufacturing, it could be automotive, it could be um, aviation, etc., you can apply for your jobs. That's called as manufacturing analytics. Manufacturing analytics. For example, the Coca-Cola project that we are doing, right? What do we do there? On the machines, we place IoT sensors on what? Machines. And we capture the data, collect the data. Once you collect the data, you build predictive models on that. You build predictive models, and then you predict on when will a machine break down, so that you fix the problems even before your machine fails. Same is the case with any other stream. If you're from, say, engineering stream or electronics, sorry, but if you're from electrical engineering or electronics, then you know for a fact that you need to place IoT sensors. How do you connect? What should be the voltage that has to go to the devices? Electrical engineering. Electronic engineering is all about dealing with circuits, chips, embedded systems, and all that. So you all will have an opportunity, and trust me, data science is applicable to all the industries. Okay, applicable to all industries. And we'll discuss about this more on which industry, how you can apply when we start off the training. For now, it is applicable to all industries and all educational background. Yeah. Any other questions?
So some have just completed the 12th class. So
Ah,
they are like, can
well,
they still learn?
you can learn, but it might not be very helpful, but you can learn. Certainly for learning, there need not be any restrictions.
So someone else is into MBA HR and another person is in healthcare. So they have
Wonderful.
also asked.
Okay. So for people who are into HR, alongside our data science program, you get to attend for free one of the domain analytics trainings. Okay, you get to attend for free One of our domain analytics trainings. Why is this? I think this will not come. Stop. Okay. You see HR analytics. So for you, you can do HR analytics in addition to the data science because these domain analytics are free. Okay. For people who are from life sciences, healthcare background or pharmaceutical background, B pharmacy, biotechnology, etc., alongside the regular data science training, you can opt for life sciences healthcare analytics. Any other questions, friends?
So nothing new, Barney.
Nothing new, right? Okay. Just to recap, please contact your respective franchisee locations, okay, to receive your username and password. And you would receive username, password, and URL for AI Spry learning management system on your email ID. On AI Spry, students can get access to the training slides, R codes, and datasets. YouTube number 6 is not there. We are going to YouTube video number 6, association rules. We're going to upload that on YouTube by tomorrow. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll make all of those videos public now. Please contact your respective locations to check whether you're eligible to receive the certificate or not. Post lockdown, you can go to your learning center and collect the physical copy of your certificate, the hard copy. Right? When I say physical copy, I'm speaking about hard copy. You may attend classroom trainings at your learning centers after the lockdown. Until then, you can attend classroom online trainings like what's happening now. And after the lockdown, you can once again attend. So the beauty is you can attend the sessions multiple times in 1 year. And you will have lifetime access to our learning management system. And you will be given a session on resume preparation and interview preparation. And there will be job placement assistance for people who are not meeting attendance criteria and all that. For people who already have 80% attendance, submitting all the assignments on time, uh, for them, there is job placement guarantee. Any other specific questions that you have, members?
So which is better, R or Python? So
Both. You have to learn.
generally, yeah.
You have to learn both Python and R because both Python and R are expected in job descriptions. So learn both. Python is for streaming data as well as unstructured data majorly.
Hmm.
R is majorly for structured data. Okay, that's the difference.
And one of the question is there any EMI options on this 25,000?
We do have EMI options, and for that, please contact your respective learning centers or head office if you're not from any of those centers. Anything else?
So someone is asking, what about city and guild certificate?
Hmm. City and guilds. City and guilds is applicable for data science and AI program. Okay. So AI will be additional only, and for full stack data scientist 12 months program only. It is applicable for only two programs, data science and AI. If you take it together, that's called as professional certification. Or if you take full stack data science program, it is applicable then.
So just in conclusion, Bernie, maybe before you conclude everything, could you just show the process again on what they need to do within the AS spread?
Okay, sure.
Because many people are asking about it. And some are asking about the full stack program as well, few of them.
For full stack program, what they can do is, please contact us for full stack program directly, and then we will route you to the right person. Okay, directly contact us for full stack program, and then we will route you to the learning center for full stack data scientist program. Please contact head office, or you can contact your respective learning centers. We have inauguration event on 19th April from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Okay, there is an inauguration event for full stack data science program. Okay, you might want to join that. Okay, friends, all you need to do to get your certificate is just contact your respective person. That's it. They will explain you in detail on what has to be done.
And is domain analytics included in the 29,500 fees? That's
Yes.
another question.
Yes. So let me put it here. Domain analytics is included in the data science training curriculum. Oh, sorry, my bad. It is not included, friends. Sorry, I just got that confirmation. It is not included. Okay, but if you join a regular data science training, whatever you're going to join, there'll be some additional discounts. Don't worry about that.
So someone is asking, is there any charge for the certificate?
No. Certificate is for free if you are eligible. Certificate is for free if you are eligible.
So someone is saying when they contacted the branches, the specific branch is saying that they're not providing any certificate.
Which branch is that?
They're saying it's OMR Thoraipakkam.
Contact us. We will help you with that. Contact us. We'll provide. Don't worry. If anyone says that, then directly approach us. Artificial intelligence is the next big thing that is highly recommended. But to get a job, data science is good enough. We have included a few AI concepts in regular data science training. Once you become a data scientist, once you join some company, then you might always, want to upgrade yourself. Okay, just contact them, contact your learning centers or contact us. We will let you know on how to get the credentials, how to get the username and password for your people.
So, Priyanka, one person is asking, how do you define the eligibility? We are saying that certificate is free if you're eligible. So the question is, what is the eligibility mean?
Eligibility means you should have had more than 70% attendance. Okay. Attendance, how are we tracking it? One, you fill the attendance form, or you respond on the chat, or say you have given the reviews, or maybe you joined our groups. Okay, joined our groups, or maybe you're following our pages. Okay, all these things. Okay, if you satisfy all, not all, but if you have greater than 70% attendance, you'll get it. If you have less than 70% attendance, then we will go check whether you have responded to the chat, whether you have given the reviews on Facebook and LinkedIn or not, whether you have joined our Facebook and LinkedIn groups or not, are you following our pages or not, did you subscribe to the YouTube channel or not. We'll look at those. If you're active, that means maybe you missed out on filling your attendance sometimes. Okay, maybe you missed out filling the attendance probably because of oversight, or maybe link didn't work. But you subscribed, you are following our pages, you have given the reviews, joined our groups, you are responding to the chat messages, then that's a proof for us that you are active. So we will say that you are eligible. Manoj says head office not responding. Who is not responding, friend? That message that you have, right? On what all people have to do. Can you post it on all the groups that you created? WhatsApp.
I will do that.
When did you send? So guys, wait for 24 hours. Wait for 24 hours. We are still discussing. Okay, it's not automated email that you get, my dear friend Ravi, right? You will not receive automated emails. Enoch is here in the session, right? How will he check his emails? Come on, guys. Come on. Act mature. Wait for 24 hours after you send an email. When you call, if someone is already on call, you're 800 people. If 800 people, everyone calls this number, it'll be challenging, right? So just wait, hold on. If there is missed call alert, you'll receive a call back.
One of the question is Guruvanchari and Chromepet have the same phone numbers in the list.
Oh, is it?
and the person says that it's a wrong number.
Okay. Um, Let me call Senthil. 1 second. I'll clarify that.
So Satish, we are just clarifying the numbers now. So not to worry,
See,
should be
friend,
sorted.
the franchisee details that are given, phone number, etc., are incorrect. Okay. For Chromeped and Good Venturing, supposedly we have given the same phone number, and that is wrong, it seems. When people have called on that number, they're saying it is a wrong number. So, did you check Senthil properly? How did you check? Connect to this webinar channel. Connect to the webinar. We will get it rectified, friends. Not a problem at all. But these email IDs, all the email IDs are working. You might just want to drop an email. Okay. Or let me do one thing. I think this issue will arise. Let me hide this. Yeah. Send only emails and wait for 24 hours. You'll be notified. But when you send an email, provide your phone number. Okay. Provide your phone number. That will be better. Yeah.
And few of them want to actually see how it looks inside the AS Drive and where to download the certificate. Looks like
Yeah.
they've joined late.
Yeah. I've shown them. That's okay. They can watch the recorded videos later on.
Perfect. Perfect.
Why will we give you? We will not give you certificate directly. Okay, we have a learning center. Okay, each center will give you. If you're from Aurangabad, why will you get it from head office, friend? You'll receive it from Aurangabad because, okay, to answer your question, I saw a thing on the group. Okay, so answer to you is: are you expecting all the replies from central government for the COVID-19? Do you want all the discussions, all the clarifications to come directly from Prime Minister office, Narendra Modi, from Narendra Modi? Can you do that? Guys, see, throughout India, one center cannot handle. That is why we have those many learning centers. Okay, that is why we have these many learning centers. Managing certificates, distributing certificates, giving you hard copies, it's going to be a big task. It's not at all easy task. Okay, please understand. Okay, and be supportive, have certain maturity. You all are mature individuals, you know how things work. That is why we have countries, states, districts, etc., right? For better management. Everything cannot be driven centrally from a location. Hence, what we will do is, if you have tomorrow any doubts, certificate, my name has been printed incorrectly. Now I cannot ask my head office to stop all the work and just be doing all these things. And there are close to 1,000 people who will contact. Contacting all the 1,000 people won't be an easy task. Replying to all the 1,000 people won't be an easy task. That is why the work is divided among the various learning centers. It will make our life easier. It will ensure that we reply to you faster. Yeah. Pranali, that's the answer to you. Ravi, that's the answer to you. Dr. Shirisha, that's the answer to you. Okay, someone by name Luke has actually triggered this off. That's the answer for you as well, friend. Okay. There are a lot of trainers available. Okay, let me show you. Lot of trainers available. I'm one of the trainers. We have a lot of people from United States of America joining in. We have people from Indian Institute of Management. We have other people from Indian School of Business. All of these people will be the trainers. Okay, I'll repeat just quickly. Drop an email and wait for 24 hours for checking your eligibility. Okay, and then you'll get the certificate. Roughly 10 kilometers, Durai Raju, 10 kilometers from here. Guys, Aurangabad or Bhilai, right? Guwahati, then Indore, Kalburgi, Kolkata, Navi Mumbai, Noida, Raipur, and Vizag. I think you will have not have any issues, right, with Guntur also. Only issues you might get into is Hyderabad and Chennai because we have more centers there. Okay, roughly take 10 kilometers as a radius. But that's not that important. You know how you have come to know about this. You can contact that concerned person, and then you should be able to figure out. Okay, all right, friends. Thank you all so much. Once again, I request you all to, you know, get the certificate and publish it on your LinkedIn profile. Okay, so that your certificates are notified in this way. Not here, sorry, not network. Yeah, here. So here in this way, you publish your certificate. Let the world recognize that you are learning during the lockdown. Thank you all so much, and all the best for your careers. There are a lot of other additional free sessions which we'll plan for you all. Okay, please stay in touch. Thank you all so much. Bye for now. Bye, friends. Just in case you want to connect with me on LinkedIn, if at all you didn't connect, here we go. Where did that go? Yeah, here it is. Just in case you did not connect with me, and if you still want to connect with me, here we go. Thank you all so much. You have been lovely audience. Do stay in touch. Thank you all. No attendance for today. Don't worry. There is no attendance for today. Don't worry, friends. No attendance for today. There's no attendance for today. Yep. Thank you all so much. Do send an email to your respective franchisee locations so that you get the certificate or the process if you are eligible. Thank you all. Great learning. Bye bye for now, friends. No attendance for today.